So I'm going to be very honest in saying that Will Smith inspired this vlog. Hi guys, I look mad dusty right now. I just want to welcome you guys to the vlog. I'm going to just show you guys what I normally do on my weekends. So let me tell you guys what I'm going to do. I'm going to hop into the shower. Not because I haven't washed, it's because I have. I need to wash my hair, and then I also need to get my nails done. I need to get these brows done. Everything's looking disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. If you like this video and you want me to do more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. So let me go into the shower real quick.
Pull up in the sponsor, all over gangster with a bad bitch that came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in the tanker, call her a Lanka. And I'll say, baby, check your shots play. Just cause it's clear, it's my way. Besides it, they can say besides it. Pink whip, kick ass in the whip play. I think big get cash.
So I'm going to be very honest in saying that Will Smith inspired this vlog. Like, I absolutely love his videos on YouTube. If you haven't watched his videos, you just need to watch them. They're just so cute and just like, yeah, like I didn't think I needed to see Will Smith on YouTube, but now I do. Like, now he can't stop. Like, it can't be like a brief thing for his promo. What's the name of the movie? Is it Birth? It's not Birth. Bird? No. What's the name of the movie? I forgot my phone in the bathroom. Be right back. I had it. Oh, it's here. Had it the whole time. What is his movie on Netflix? Oh, Zibs calling me. 1 second. Hello?
Hey.
Back. That conversation went way longer than expected. So let me just get straight into my face with some music. Let's go. I just got my face, boo. I got my face. Whew. Do you guys know how cold it is in the UK? It's just so weird vlogging. Ooh. People that look at me. On my way to get my brows done first. I need to get them threaded. I haven't got them threaded in months. I usually just either pluck them or just use like a little razor and razor them off, which is really bad. And I know my eyebrow lady is just gonna get really annoyed because she can always tell when I pluck my brows. It's so annoying. Also, when I was getting ready, I tried on this face mask from Primark and my skin reacted to it. My skin was like burning. It was really uncomfortable. I had to wash it off. I'll include the picture on the side of the screen, but yeah, see you guys in a bit. So I am back. Can you see something different? Don't mind my hair is still wet, it's still drying. I'm gonna let it dry, cook food, tidy up my room. Don't you see the difference in my face when my brows are done? Oh, and don't you see me talking my hands? I mean, like nude. You guys see the nude, like the nude look. You guys already know what inspired the nude. Oh, if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know what this nail color is. But if you don't, it's OPI. I think it's. Let me go back to my Snapchat. And if you don't have me on Snapchat already, sis or a guy, I want another name for sis, bro. Yeah. I want another name for sis, bro. The shade is gin. I'll have a gin and tectonic. We're gonna cook. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an easy, simple uni meal. But you'll need some prawns because we're gonna make. Okay, I'm gonna make fried rice with king prawns and some drumsticks. Peppers, you can either have your normal peppers. I like the cut up ones because they're frozen and I can use them anytime and they don't really die out on me. Smart. Listen, it's all about preservation. Preservation. Soy sauce, rice. Am I missing anything? Okay, I'll show you guys what season I do after, but These are the main ingredients. Get a saucepan. I've got new ones, brand new from Argus. I've got a whole set. So, and I haven't used it because I've been so busy. Well, I haven't used this one in particular. I used all the others. I'm gonna cook the rice. First of all, you make sure you wash the rice. I'm gonna show you everything I do, but first of all, I'm gonna wash the rice, how you would wash the rice, you know? I like to play music too, but hopefully for copyright reasons. For copyright reasons, I'm not playing any music, but I need a bit of music in my life, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Yo!
Yeah, what's going on?
I've just began cooking. I know, listen, I got carried away with friends.
I'm downstairs, man.
You're downstairs? What the hell? Okay, I'm coming. 1 second. We have our first guest, my friend Anthony. Let me go collect him really quickly. Be right back. I'm a chef, do you know what I mean? I'm a chef. Say hello to the camera, man.
Hello guys.
What's that?
Anthony.
You're so rude. How much? Tell me when to stop. For 2 people? Because I always go overboard, you know. Putting in the rice and the... I think that should be fine. For 2 people? Are you sure? You're looking at me, are you sure? Season the prawns in here, chicken in here. Seasoning the chicken, cheeky soy sauce, dark one. Chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Chili powder, gotta get that in. What else do you use? I just use that. Then I feel like it's too much. My nails are freshly done. I need to be wiping material. I need to use my hands, man. I need to use my hands. Oh! Oh! It's actually cold as well. Oh. For the prawns, I literally just use dark soy sauce, garlic, salt and pepper. Yeah. And then when I'm cooking it, I coat the saucepan with the butter. So then it's like garlic butter, pepper and salt. It tastes really nice. Oh, I love having a non-stick pan. You know, I've been having a stick pan for the longest, and it's actual headache. Oh, everything just cooks lovely. Oh my god. Okay. This is actually, to be honest, I need to get rice cooker. This is and this is the aftermath. Cheeky meal. I just put the chicken in the oven. This is the meal. Hi guys, so it's Sunday today, but let me run you through what I did Saturday. So Saturday morning I had a shoot. I went from Northampton all the way to West London, Northwest London. Had a shoot there, it was really fun. I'll insert the clips now. This is recorded. Oh no, it's recorded. Yeah. I'll just show behind the scenes. How this one goes. I thought if you put it against your hair, you know, with black hair, make sure that's way. Oh yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay, cool. Yeah. Next one. Oh. Like the second time I've seen you today, this week. Ooh. Hello. Is it Diane? That's like my mum's name. Yeah. See some of the shots. It's so funny with you guys. It's so weird. Like I was literally here on like Thursday and back here on Saturday, and I was really walking like I don't know, I've never been to this area before. And then I saw the bread and I was like, is this where it was? And I looked around and I was like, I was here on Thursday. This studio. So can like people come in here and like just do shoots? They just need to contact you? No. As in no, but you're the photographer, so people with businesses can come and work with you, collaborate. Yes. Okay, I'll leave her information down below, guys. Contact her to be your photographer because she's amazing. Amazing. I want this type of equipment for my YouTube videos. What is this?
Oh, I have a separate equipment for video.
Have you?
Different lights and stuff. That's cool. Oh my god, look at this. Whoa! Really pops, doesn't it? Yeah.
And then after that I went for some lunch, early lunch, like late lunch, early dinner with Zib and her mum at Las Iguanas, my faves. I'm gonna also insert that now.
When I took my nap, it was 3 a.m. So I was like, oh, I'll wake up in an hour. No, just not wake up. Where to support black businesses. So, do you know what? What people need to do is open up stores like H&M so I can get my clothes. That's what they need to do. Like, I'm all here for this boycotting thing, but if you're not coming with suggestions...
But the ones that are easy, yeah, we don't use it.
And then after I went to go see my boyfriend, and then we chilled, didn't vlog at all. I was just tired, so I just went to sleep. Next day, stayed in bed. Like, Sunday's a day of rest. I've just been up early every single day this week, and I haven't been able to do much. And then Sunday, I'm here. I'm also gonna insert the clips now. Hello! I'm still vlogging. I'm vlogging this whole weekend. So I'm at Zibs and her mum's house. Well, Zibs' mum's house. Who's in? Let's go see what they're up to.
What are you talking about?
Oh, this is so cute. No, yeah, as should both.
I tried to take a photo.
When did you get it? It's so cute. Pound shop. Oh, I love it.
Hannah, you can't take it with you, though.
Oh.
Oh, you got to take it? Alright, go on then, take it with you. I'll get another one.
See that petrol? 119, baby! What? You see what Cheryl trying to do? See how Cheryl trying to play me? You can't play me. Oh, because I got the trick.
Listen,
I got the trick.
petrol is not cheap at all. At all. It's a joke. Oh, I don't really want to. That's what I'm not looking forward to when driving. like petrol.
It's horrible.
I love the smell.
Paying attention to this petrol, and I did like 25, 24. Like, I was just like, oh, okay, this is what we're gonna do today. Okay. I'm back.
Yo.
Yeah.
Oh. This reminds me of our first vlog
Oh
ever.
my god. Kaya friends, let's get drunk.
Kaya friends, let's get drunk. Kaya friends, let's get drunk. Kaya friends, let's get drunk. Kaya friends, let's get drunk. That's what we got. First ever video. If you know, if you've been with us from day, you will know that video. And if you aren't subscribed to Bells
And I had braids as well, so
yeah,
it's like it's similar like vibe.
Wow, so cute. Yeah, I'm back in Northampton now. For those of you that don't really know, I go to uni in Northampton University, and then I live in London. So yeah, I'm like back and forth between London and Northampton for like work as well as uni. Work in London and uni in Northampton. Yeah, my brows are done, nails are looking fleeky. I feel like I'm back to myself. In the beginning of the video, it was a hot mess. And yeah, don't use that face mask I told you guys about from Primark. Do not use it if you've got sensitive skin. It's horrible. Like, I don't know why I spent money on that. I also want to tell you guys, if you guys are watching for this long, I have a website that I'm trying to get done, and it will all be revealed soon. So I'm doing my own website, getting that all together. I'm my own web developer, I'm like my own everything. Own like creative, own like literally. I feel like if you can do something, do it yourself, you know. Obviously if you've got the money to spend and get a web developer and all that and get it to the best quality, amazing. But if you can teach yourself, definitely teach yourself, because it's such a good skill to have at the end of the day. So I'm gonna love you guys, and I'm gonna leave you, and have a good night or good day whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.